building your PC, did you or Owen apply the thermal paste?
I did. It's really easy.
Yeah.
I just did.
Spread it out over the CPU.
Yeah, you gotta spread it out over the CPU.
How often do you have to replace them?
Every 3 years.
PC building. PC
How much does thermal paste cost?
building.
For a tube, for a one-time.
You said you hated Fortnite. Got the Fortnite hater
I'm not
here.
playing that, man.
He's better than everyone.
I do not care for it. I don't.
He's better
hate
than
it.
everyone.
I do not care for it.
He's better. He's just better. He's got the he's superior. Superiority
Number
complex.
second, it's all over.
Why?
They get rid of it.
What? What are they doing?
I don't know.
Oh, is it just like temporary? Yeah. And then they're just gonna go back to like normal.
With your phone up in front of it.
That's pretty weird.
Thank you.
All right. Well, no.
Yeah, I'm definitely.
All right, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.